So let's go outside. Let me show you the sound. Let's make a big testing for this BOYA Magic that I think it looks so good. So to continue our review, guys, this is the audio test with the BOYA Lavaliere's AI Magic. So it's interesting because we are using the receiver with the jack into our cinematography cameras, which support also 24 bits. We are in noise reduction mode. Now I have turned on the noise reduction, and this is how it sounds. But it's also a quiet environment, so the mics do not have problem. But also they are using AI intelligence, artificial intelligence, for isolating the background noises. So BOYA tell us that these microphones work at 100 meters. So let's test if they are having any interference or any problem, at least at 15 meters. I will go there and I will try to talk with you when I'm going without the noise cancelling. And now press the button and I activated the noise cancellation, which is very interesting, and I'm walking with the back, and I hope the sound is as good as it can. I got to tell you that I test these lavaliers. I test the handheld mic, and it's very good. The sound is very good. I was very surprised for this product. I can't believe how good it developed, the BOYA company, and we salute them, and also we thank them for sending us this product. And guys, and talking about this, guys, it's I'm addressing now to the manufacturers. Well, it's better to send to an influencer product for a review who has good equipment, because if you are appealing to a multimedia company to make you that review or that video, it's way expensive. So for sending a product, to depending on the value of the product, of course, we have also limits here to accept some medium budget products. Well, for the manufacturer, it's a bargain for making reviews, and are good quality reviews with cinematographic cameras. Now we are using the BOYA microphone with only one. You have got to have inside only one lavalier for this microphone to work. So you can hold it here. You have also on the receiver with jack 3 levels of gain. So this gain, I think, is sufficient for the handheld mic. You can take interviews outside or inside or wherever you want. You can even put it on your table, and it's very fine. Now I have turned off the noise cancellation, and this is the sound how it sounds with the handheld mic. If I want to go with this microphone, here is the sound without the noise cancellation, and I will walk with the back on my back on the camera to see if there are interferences. But I don't think BOYA will have any troubles with the mic I'm walking. I saw the LED flashing, blue LED. I'm pressing now. I just activated the noise cancellation, and this is for you to see at 100 meters without obstacles in my way, that these lavaliers, I think they are very good. The distance is good. You will sense that even Sennheiser will have interferences over 50 meters. So those are professional 1,000 euro lavaliers. And this is what I'm like, that this microphone is so good. So you can use two people, you can take interviews with you in one hand, and the other person, even 3 persons, you can talk with 2 person, and the third person can have in to their shirt small lavalier. And the size, guys, the size, I know, for me the size is everything. And you have 2 system with the clip system and the magnet system to this small piece here onto my shirt, and this is a great thing. Let's see the accessories. The wind protector. So it looks very good. It's not a windy day. The wind is very calm today. And the accessories are very fluffy, and I guarantee you will do their job. And I recommend you, I don't know if you're seeing here, the LED, to leave it on your face, forward to your face, because if it blinks, that means you're not in sync with the receiver and you are losing the sound. So I recommend you to leave this wind protector just a little bit upwards. Even the sponge, the standard sponge, you can leave it just a little bit upwards so you can see the LED. The LED is important. On your shirt, you cannot see the LED, but if it's flashing and it's night, I think, and I recommend you guys to leave even the receiver. As I'm talking to the camera now, leave the receiver, you will see the LEDs, and if the LEDs are flashing to the receiver, not the transmitter, so I'm talking to the receiver that it's attached to my camera now. If the LED will blink, for sure I'm losing the signal. Now this is a noisy environment. We are near to a street, and now let's activate. Now is the voice cancellation right near to the street, and this is how your voice is sounding like. And let's make the test also with this. Now this is the test with the handheld mic, and this is how it sounds without the noise cancellation. And now I have activated the noise cancellation by pressing one time the button, and this is how my voice sounds near to a street. So test, doing a test, 1 2 1 2. Guys, I'm filming with the mobile phone now. This is the test with the BOYA AI Magic Lavs with the t-shirt Lavaliere and with the vacuum cleaner. Now you can hear the vacuum cleaner into the background. I'm going to press the noise cancellation. So now it's with the noise cancellation, the vacuum cleaner is right near to me. And now if you are hearing only my voice and just a little bit, let's say, the vacuum cleaner, this means the noise cancellation, it does his job very, very good. And now guys, I'm recording with the handheld mic. You can hear the vacuum cleaner into the background. And now I'm going to press the noise cancellation. It turned green, and this is how it sounds my voice with the handheld mic and the vacuum cleaner into your home or office or wherever. So now guys, this is the lavalier with the strong setting on noise reduction. So I'm filming the vacuum cleaner and I'm talking, but I don't feel the vacuum cleaner it's that loud. I'm filming with the phone. I believe that the vacuum cleaner will be completely isolated, but I will see into the recording after this.